Hi guys, it's Shah here, the Tech Borg, and it's been a long time since I made a video, and it's because I have a lot of homework to do, especially because I'm doing A-level maths in 1 year, so it's quite hard work. So forget about all that stuff, and I'm just gonna continue my series on A-level maths, as requested. And so today's video is going to be about arithmetic series. I just touched upon it on my intro video, but today we shall go over the bits you need to know. So, okay, so an arithmetic series, well, we have, let me use a paintbrush. Well, you need to know that un represents the term number, n is the term number, and u represents the value of that term number. So un is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. This is something I did touch upon, but I didn't explain fully. So d is the common difference. So if we have a series 3, 5, 7, 9, today's arithmetic series anyway. So the difference between each of them is plus 2, as you can see, plus 2, plus 2. So d in this case is 2. N is the term number that you want to find, and a represents the first number. So the first number in this case is 3. So the formula for this is un is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 times by d, which is 2. And let's say you want to find the 100th value in this term. So you just want to plug in u100 is equal to 3, and you replace the n with 100 minus 1 times 2, and you get your answer. I don't have a calculator, but I believe it is 201 or something like that. 99 times 2 is 198, plus 3 is 201. So that's the answer you should get. So let me just rub all this out. Take these notes if you would like to. I just need to quickly select all this and remove it. Delete. How do you delete this? One moment. Select this. Cut. Okay. So now let me explain to you how we can find the sum of an arithmetic series. So sum, let's say we had a list now. Un is equal to a plus d. D represents the difference, right? Yeah. So a plus 2d, a plus 3d. So as you can see, the difference is d, which is our basic formula, d, d, d. So we add d every time. Now let's say we reversed this order. So the last term would be a plus n minus 1d, correct? Yes. And the first term would be a, right? So now, if you think about it, if you add un to itself when you flip it, so a plus n minus 1d plus a, and then after this you'd have something else, and then all the way to a, and that a plus the a plus n minus 1d at the end, if you see that they all add up together to make 2a plus n minus 1d. So if we add the two un's together, and this un is the opposite one, so un plus un is equal to 2a plus n minus 1d, as if you can see it. And because we know that it happens in n number of times, so there's an n on the outside. Let me just scroll down quickly. Okay, so we know that it happens. Let me just write it more clearly for you. So 2un, because there's two un's, n 2a plus n minus 1d. Let me go through what I just said now, so you can get in your head. So so if we add a plus n minus 1d to this a, and the a plus n minus 1d, that's the last number in this term, to this a, you will get 2a plus n minus 1d. But if you do that to each and every term in between, like this a plus d plus another value in between, this a plus 2d plus another value in between, you will end up with 2a plus n minus 1d. And because we don't know how many there are, we can say there are n lots of these. And so we know that 2un is equal to n 2a plus n minus 1d. And so we know that just it by itself, sorry, not 2un, I wrote the notation wrong. This is Sn, and we're meant to add a plus sign in between each and every one of them, because we want to have, we want to add all the values in that series, right? So a plus n minus 1d plus something, plus something, plus something, plus eventually the first term, which is a. So Sn, Sn, Sn. So Sn, and rearranging it, gives you n over 2a plus n minus 1d. So this is fairly straightforward, and you need to know the proof of this, so make sure you I don't know, if you want to memorize it, then memorize it, or I'd suggest you understand it, because there will be quite a few problem solving questions in the paper as we're doing the new A levels. And so thank you for watching, guys, and that's it for the arithmetic series, and the next video will be on geometric series, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you soon.